Best collection Mizo channel clear tu ta chi bai le vek ole tunruma chuan Central Armed Police Force chanchin kan ngai thlau dona hriat zawna tan po a tha hrim hrim ome Central Armed Police Force housinga BSF ITBP SSB le Assam Rifle te hian ram riven himna lama mo phurna an le do bi ka dan le thupe ken ko na lama ram chung police te an troi om bokani abi ka ven him ngai lai veng him tu police te troi omin CISF te anom le a hilho le ram chunga rural chetna chang le ta dole turin CRPF te le NSG anom le ani CRPF te phei hi chu Naxalite hel ran na biala chumlo chatlo chetla an ni a heng Central Armed Police Force te mo phurna tlang pui chu ram chung himna ta na thole dan le thupe ken ko na lama thu nei tu te pui chu an na berani ram dang ne na in mu sakhi chang le India ram ven him konga Indian Army te lungrol puin BSF le CRPF te phei hi chu an che chuak ringani heng Central Armed Police Force te hi pol rang ranga threndar le ni in heng pol rang ranga tang hian na poimo tak tak an thok bokani Research and Analysis Wing RAW an ti te Special Protection Group SPG ate National Investigation Agency NIA ate Intelligence Bureau IB Central Bureau of Investigation CBI National Disaster Response Force NDRF ate Narcotic Control Bureau NCB ate Indian Army ate po deputation in hun engemaw chhunga ta na man huangin anin son kual reng thin ani Central Armed Police Force officer alut tur hian Union Public Service Commission le Staff Selection Commission ten examan buat sei thina tin an mani headquarters theu ten narwak omdana zirin sipailak na an kalpui boka nalak na hi kongthumin an thena Gazetted Officers Central Armed Police Force Assistant Commandant exam hi UPSC na buat sei thina Assistant Commandant chin hi Gazetted Officers anni exam ating te hi direct alut ngal anni a departmental exam atangin rank sangzoka an kai chhove bokani subordinates officer an tile a Central Armed Police Force sub inspectors te hi Staff Selection Commission ho exam buat se atangala kan ni a tin departmental exam hi constable head constable le assistant sub inspector tan buat sai ani thin bokani constable te po hi Staff Selection Commission in exam buat sai kaltlangala kan ni hloma tin Central Armed Police Force engineer te doctor te wireless operator le technician nursing staff atan po exam buat sai thin ani Central Armed Police Force rang te chu han bel chiang don te ang pakhatna chuan Central Reserve Police Force CRPF ho hi Central Armed Police Force housinga chuan an lian bera nuai thum sing thum sang thum zasari le somsari pariat lai ni in battalion jani somli panga zeta anin thlen darani an budget po hi kumin sang ni som ni hian chengve bel che sing ni sanga zanga somnga pasari point som ko pakhat lai ani CRPF noya hian Rapid Action Force le Commando Battalion 4 Resolute Action Cobra anti te chun am hrang le a Rapid Action Force ho hi battalion som panga omin ramchunga boina lian tham le khuarel chetna thleng thuta te tangkai takache chuak tura in kau reng an ni tin Cobra thung hi chu ka video masalama po khan ka ron tar lang to a chiang zo ka endu kanom chuan kan lo thlir don nia heng Cobra te hi helho ma chon tura CRPF atanga a thahlang lor khom ni in ram hnuaya helho biru ve kuala thingmit turin helho ai helzok tura cheran ni a ani hi battalion soma thendaran ni ve bok Naxalite thau ngong len na buan khuar berani CRPF te hi British atanga India a indan ma kumsang khajako somthum pakwa July ni somni pasari khan Crown Representative Police angin anlo indin chhauto a mani ke a India adin nu kumsang khajako somli pakwa December ni somni pariat khan Central Reserve Police Force te in dan siama nem nge anni chhauta ani dan le thupe ken ko le hel ho an ma chhun mai pi lama hian CRPF te hian ram chunga na poimo tak tak an thok thina chungzinga chuan hlotling taka in thlan pui election kan nei theinan ven him na thei to pin an lo chhuwa to thina ram chung mun sang sanga ven him na thok tura semkwal thin an ni abik takin state pakhat ni train tuna BJP sarkarin UTIA ada tak Jammu and Kashmir ate Bihar le India marchak mun sang sanga semkwal thin an ni a UN mission ate po India rampo na lo fe chuak to in Sri Lanka Namibia Somalia Haiti le Maldives ta te muana sipai angin an lo chuak to thrin ani CRPF a an ho tu ber hi Director General ani a Director General rank hi State Police a chuan DGP anti te hian ni a Army a chuan Lieutenant General Navy a chuan Vice Admiral Air Force a chuan Air Marshal te hi a rank pui te an ni soito angin CRPF a an ho tu ber hi Director General ni in Indian Police Service IPS officer ani a CRPF te hi sector soma tender ni in heng sector tin hi Inspector General in an kai hroi vele ani sector tin a hian administrative sector pakhate mo pahni emo om le a operational range om le in heng hi Deputy Inspector General of Police enkol na hnuaya kalpui vele ani bok CRPF te hian sumle pai enkol na a how tu ber financial advisor an naya financial advisor hi Indian Revenue Service IRS officer an naya joint secretary rank pe kan ni tin financial advisor hian thachang dol tu deputy advisor an nei le a deputy advisor te hi Indian Audit and Account Service emo Indian Telecom Service emo Indian Civil Account Service emo atanga ron kal an ni thung soito angin CRPF hian tuna hian battalion zani somli panga naya executive battalion zani pali meiche battalion mahila battalion anti hi parukan nei boka rapid action force RAF battalion anti hi som panga nein cobra battalion hi som an nei thungani signal battalion panga nein special duty group battalion pakhat le parliament duty group pakhat an nei bokani CRPF battalion pakhata hian police sangkhat zani borvel omzel anga chhut an ni a battalion tin hi commandant in an kai hroya battalion te hi company pasaria tender le ni in company pakhata hian constable za somthum panga borvel zel an omani assistant commandant 10 company hi an enkol ve thungani Ministry of Home Affairs chuan nikum kumsang ni som pakwa khan Delhi lam uap tur center group panni asiam thara range headquarters panni le sector headquarters pakhat tin battalion thar som panni asiam thar bokani chungzinga chuan meiche battalion mahila battalion po hi atelani tin assistant commandant hi group A officer a hlan kayan ni taboka UPSC exam kal tanga lu angai to boka kumtinin he exam hi kalpui thina ni to a headquarters noya zone palia thendarani a heng zone te hi additional director emo special director general in an enkola zone pali te chu sector a then le ani a sector tin hi inspector general ten an enkol bokani CRPF teral thom han tlang pui ngai thla in han en hole lok te ang pakhatna chuan pistol auto 9mm round 1A le Glock 17 9mm round pistol auto 9mm round hi India Rama Silai CM2 company rifle factory Aishapur ho siam ni in English 9mm round pistol entona siamani a India Rama sipaile police hawin service pistol atana an man na sat berani Heckler & Co MP5 he silai hi CRPF te hian an leklam berte zinga mi ni a HNK hi German Defense silai CM2 company siamani a silai chi sang sang an siam zinga handguns te rifle machine gun grenade ka chuana grenade launcher te chu an siamani US UK le France ate he silai siam phalna license hi pek ni in an siam chuak ve bokani pathumna insas 5.56mm round assault rifles India pum chuak silai CM2 te siam chua insas hi India sipainol puite hian an manga ordnance factories board ho noya siam ni in Tiruchirappalli Kanpur ami ta siam ani a Aisha pawh ral thuam siam tu te pawh hian Inchas rifle hi an siam chuak ve thawani palina AGS 30 Plamia he silai AGS 30 Plamia 30mm round hi automatic grenade launcher ani a Russia siam ani a grenade ka chuana ani pangana chuan AK47 tunlai zoka siam danglam AKM anti hi ani a hei hi counter insurgency atan CRPF te hian an hmang deuh bik ani parukna Tavor Israel siam hi an hmang boka Tavor hi semi automatic mode le full automatic mode a select thayani pasarina micro Tavor he silai hi Israel weapon industries ho siam ani a CRPF hian an hmang tangkai hle ani pariatna FN an man hi 7.62mm round ni in machine gun ani a hetiang silai hi kumsang khat zakwa somnga chhovela Fabric National ho siam chu ani a Ernest Verver design ani nge a ram somriat chuang in tuna hian an hmang me kani Argentina Egypt India UK te hian siam phalna license an nei bokani OFB 51mm round mortar le OFB 81mm round mortar te chu CRPF te hian helho thonnan an hmang tangkai hle ani som pakhatna chuan Carl Gustav 84mm round recoilless rifle hei hi tengka na silai lian ani a sangkha zakwa somli paruka sharp buffer dynamic ho siam chu ani he silai hi Sweden lam company siam ani som pani na chuan MSMC 5.56 hei hi modern submachine carbine anti mai kha ni a Ordnance Factory Board India in naichil in beina close quarter baitlata na an siam ani a metar zathum chunga in ka nan a thale zual Central Armed Police Force danglea chuan BSF te an ni a BSF hian kumin sangni somni hian chengve bel che singkhat sang kwa zaruk somnga point somsari pali budget an nei ani Border Security Force te hi an hminga tang reng hian an hna thotang pui cho chiang hal mai ome India ram himnan thei top chua tu te an ni a India ram ri vengin helpo le aruka India lo lu tum te vengin an nuna thapin an cha chuak thin India rama Central Armed Police Force te zinga langsar pol tak an ni a India in indona ma chhon hun lai kumsang khazakwa somruk panga chawadin kha an ni a indolai le muanom taka India a omlai pon rim taka ramri ven chu an na berani Ministry of Home Affairs enkol na hnuaya an oma CRPF ang bokin BSF a an hautu ber hi Director General ni in Indian Police Service IPS officer senior Trangaron kal ani sangkhat zakwa somruk panga a anin din chho ve lai kha chuan battalion tam vak lo kha an ni a tuna chuan battalion za somret paruk lai an ni to ani sipai po nuai ni singa sangsari zathum somruk le pathum lai an ni to bok BSF hi polrang ranga thlir ran an ni a borok lama chetlachi air wing te tuipui lama chetlachi marine wing te laipui enkol tu pol artillery wing le commando unit te an nei ani khovela ramriveng tu sipai tam ber chu BSF te hi an ni mek ani BSF hi New Delhi a hmun puina in force headquarters an ti a Director General enkol na hnuaya kalpui ani a Directorate rang heng operations communication and information technology te training engineering general law provisioning administration personnel armaments medical finance le adangte an nei ani Director General hnuaya heng directorate te hi Inspector General in an kai hruai vele ani Eastern Theatre anti Eastern Command India Marchaklam enkol turin Special Director General an omle a Eastern Theatre te hian Kolkata amun pui an nei ani Western Theatre anti Western Command lam hi Chandigarh mun pui an nei ve thunga he an mun pui po hi Special Director General in an enkol vele a Eastern Western Theatre hnuaya hian Field Formation an nei a Field Formation hi Frontier Headquarters anti bokani Inspector General in an enkola Frontier Headquarters hnuaya hian sector headquarters som pathum an nei le a sector headquarters te hi Deputy Inspector General of Police in an enkol le a sector headquarters theu te hian command pali atanga panga an nei chhawng ve le a chungte chu infantry battalion artillery ti te boruak le tui pui sipai pol te an nei a soito angin tuna hian BSF hian battalion za somriat paruk an nei meka training na hun lian deuh panga nei in training na te naw somvel an nei bokani BSF te hi Central Armed Police Force hozinga Manipula Air Wing Marine Wing le Artillery Regiment nei rang om chhun an ni a chet chuana an na ya heng an pol rang te hian atul danin chet an la hawin anin puitlang thina ni Indian Revenue Service Officer chu BSF a financial advisor atan manani a hnuaiah hian deputy advisor om le in Indian Audit and Account Service ami te Indian Civil Account Service le Indian Defence Account Service ami te lak an ni hlomani BSF te hian nu chuinan ui an hmangna sa ema ui khoifin na le training pack na hun pui an naya Central Armed Police Force danga le State Police te man turin ui fing an thon chuak bok thina ni BSF te hian tear gas unit TSU an ti chu abik takin an naya hei hi a common lo hle heng ho hian hmel ma dar le in beina tear gas man chung changa thiamna bi kan naya ramdang sipai te hna training peten an chuak fo bokani BSF battalion zinga battalion pathum Kolkata Guwahati le Patna mi te hi khwarel chiatna le engamori krum thila chachuak chi sipai National Disaster Response Force NDRF atan an manga heng battalion te hian thiam bik na an nei vekani Special Search and Rescue Team an naya an hnuaiah engineer te technician te electrician te wifing kai hroi tu pol dog squad te damdoi lam thiam medics and paramedics te an kol vek bokani BSF a hian battalion khata mi sangkhat za somnga pariat borvel zel anga chhut an ni a NDRF battalion bik hi thiam thil danglam bik nei an ni hloma chiat rup na le khorel chiat na engamolo thleng thuta chachuak tura in kaw reng an ni chung an chet chu huna boilawa an chet theinan tui boruak khomuala chan chuana an tho theinan training thatak nei vekan ni nuclear zungza pudru le biological chemical ral thuam pudru seng hoile harsat na chinfel thuwa man ro tha le thiam thil tenen an che chuak thina ni India le Myanmar ri KM sangkhat zaruk somli zeta thui hi Assam Rifle tenan veng meka Cabinet Committee on Security CCS chuan heram ri veng tu Assam Rifle te puya an tha ti chak turin BSF hi arot tharto bokani an man ro le ral thuam te lo en le thuak te ang BSF te man ro le ral thuam an thlir ho lokila pistol and handguns IOF .32 revolver 6-shot handgun anti mizoten puak ruk kan ti ang kha ni a sangkha zakwa somnga panga tanga India lo siam chua to ni in drum za sari chawari ta ni a inchi sari asai ni in a barrel hi inchi thum le ka sai ani bokani pistol auto 9mm round pistol common takani a India kut chuak ni in BSF ho po hian India sipai le police dangte ang bokin service pistol atanan mangve bokani submachine guns and carbines German lam kut chuak H&K MP5 submachine gun te H&K MP5K version te Italy lam chuak Beretta MX4 Storm machine gun te chu BSF te hianan mangani assault rifles zinga AKM 7.62mm round hi BSF te hianan mangna sa hle a India pum chuak Insas 5.56mm round hi India Military Service rifle ani a India sipai dangte man ang bokin BSF hianan mangve ni tin Belgium lam chuak FN4 te Israel siam tavor te chu assault rifle an man zinga atel bokani machine guns an man zinga hian Insas LMG te gun machine 7.62mm round IB anti te hei hi brand LMG siam dang lamani FN Mac MMG te Russia siam NSV heavy machine gun te chu LMG an man zinga atelani malsai silai India kut chuak Vidawansak anti-material rifle AMR anti te chu an hmanga tin Austrian siam Steyr SSG 69 chu an hmang tel bokani multi-role recoilless rifle Carl Gustav 84mm round hi BSF te hian an hmanga he silai hi tengka chiat na silai ni in Sweden siamani grenade launchers grenade ka chuana silai zinga hian AGS 30mm round automatic grenade launcher anti Russia siam chu an hmangani mortar silai an kol zinga hian 81mm round mortar te 85 le 120mm round mai baka 105mm round Indian field gun te chu an hmang tel bokani